Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Larry with Buy Low Trades. Make sure to smash that bell to stay up to date with my newest videos, and let's get into it. Guys, key points I'm going over in this video is day trading indicators, what news moves the markets, professional insider tips, and the ultimate day trade strategy. So stay tuned, hit that pause button at any time if you need to, and let's get into it. Day trading indicators can be a very useful tool, but one thing to keep in mind when using them is that indicators are lagging the market. They take information and then relay the information to you. By the time it's posted, it is delayed, so it's not a reliable source of information when day trading. Though we can use them for entries and exits, so the indicators that I use when day trading would be the relative strength index to see what's oversold or overbought, the MACD to see the trend, and the smooth moving averages to see when to exit or enter my trades. Other popular day trading indicators would be the VWAP, Bollinger Bands, and the EMA or exponential moving averages. Now, it's important not to overload yourself with too many indicators, as this becomes just a big mess and just too much when you're trying to day trade. Make sure to experiment and find what works for you. When you're day trading, news should be looked at as a tool. Learning what news moves markets comes with practice, but this can give you a huge advantage going forward in the market. You have to familiarize yourself with the news and how it impacts markets or a specific stock, and beware of the fluff articles, as there's plenty of them. In my personal experience, some news articles that moves the markets are acquisitions, mergers, earnings beat, specifically sales, and lately hype plays, anything having to do with non-fungible tokens or Bitcoin. Some examples of fluff articles would be rumors that are unconfirmed, possible sales with no real numbers, or people's opinions either from YouTube, Reddit, or StockTwits. One key thing to remember is the trend is your friend. Keep this in mind when trading and you will be successful. Finding an increase in volume is key. You want to see sharp moves and you want to catch them fast. Ever wonder how people find these spikes so fast? Well, here's a tip for you. When you're screening for stocks, make sure you set the relative volume to 2 or higher, and then set the time limit to 1, 5 minute, or 15 minute. This will show you a sharper move in a smaller time frame. Now, sometimes the best advice really is to just take a break, turn the computer off, let the batteries recharge, and come back when you're full and 100%. That's when you make your smartest decisions as an investor. That's when you should be trading. Now, I know this is an unpopular opinion, but in my opinion, patience is key. When making financial decisions, I never try to rush to spend my money. Now, this past week alone, we saw multiple stocks go over 100%. This one, TCAT, we called early on our Discord, over 900% gains this week alone. Now, this isn't the only one. We also had HOFV. This ticker also had over 400% gains. These are really crazy moves, but it happens every week. So be patient and let these trades come to you. In my personal experience, there is a unicorn every week. This is the unicorn strategy. I call these 100 to 300% gainers a unicorn. Every week there is a 100% to 300% runner. This is every week in my experience. Now, you may not always find it, but if you were to find this unicorn with this strategy and you only played one trade a week, if you had $1,000 to invest and you invested it in a week's time and you made 1/4 or 25% of that unicorn of 100% minimum to 300%. So if you caught 25% of that 100% and you had $1,000, you would have $250 profit, or $1,250 after your trade was all said and done. Now, if you had one trade per week for a full year, this would equate to $12,500 profit each year. Now, keep in mind, this method does not require rolling any of your profits back in, so you're only playing with your original $1,000 every week. This same example with $10,000 would equate to $125,000 roughly. $125,000 a year, sign me up. Recap, indicators are lagging, so beware. Find out what works for you and use it. Become familiar with breaking news, smash that like button, and beware of the fluff articles. Now guys, we do have a Discord if you'd like to get in there and be with a community of investors for free. The link is in the description. We have buy and sell alerts as well, and we do have day trading tips and techniques. Also, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It'll keep you up to date with my new videos, and take care.